Now we are standing exactly at the edge of the Charlotte Lake, and here you see the lake starts. Just look at the level of water. It is almost full. You can see it here. It's right up to the brim of the skirting here, and sun shining brightly but no humidity or sweat. And if you just turn towards the right, you will hear the bells ringing. That is from the nearby Matheran temple, avatar of Lord Shiva. And just behind that, if you see, you will have the Lord's Point. I will take you there also and show you the views from there. Now as we just climb upstairs, we will get a better view of the lake and the greenery surrounding that. And the crowd here is just enjoying the view. This is such a beautiful lake, silent, clean, flowing water, shimmering in the sunlight.